The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a big jungle, there lived a small mouse. The mouse would run from one place to another, looking for tasty berries to eat. One afternoon, when the mouse was very hungry and feeling hot under the sun, he went into a dark cave. Maybe there'll be tasty mushrooms in the cave and a little cool water, the little mouse thought. But, oh no, there were no mushrooms inside the cave, but there was a sleeping lion. The mouse tried to run out of the cave, but his little feet made too much sound and woke up the lion. Roar! Who woke me up? I was having such a lovely dream. Now I am very angry and will punish whoever woke me up, the lion said. The little mouse was very scared. He said, "Please, Mr. Lion, let me go. Don't punish me. I woke you up by mistake. I'm very, very sorry. If you let me go, I promise to always help you whenever you need." The lion said, "Okay, I don't know if I'll ever need your help, but since you have said sorry, you can go." The little mouse was very happy. He said to himself, "Wow, the lion is so nice and understanding." And then he ran off to find some food. A few days later, he heard someone calling out for help. He quickly ran towards the sound. He saw the lion stuck in a net. "Oh, kind lion, what happened to you?" he asked. The lion said, "A hunter has trapped me in this net. I'm very scared." The mouse said, "Don't be scared. I'll save you." And he began to chew the ropes of the net. Soon, the lion was free. He said, "Wow, you are a very brave and smart little mouse. I'm glad I let you go that day. And I am sorry I was rude to you. You saved my life today." The mouse was very happy. He said, "I'm glad I was able to help you. Come on, let's go away from here before the hunter comes back." The lion and the mouse ran away and became best friends. They lived happily in the jungle after that day. Moral of the story: if you are good to people, they will be good to you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting stories.